skate community, and both were like acoustic guitar guys, pretty much. You know, like neither of us could really play, and yeah, we just like fooled around for a long time, and then naturally kind of writing some songs, and yeah, heard a lot of like semi-negative stuff about touring, and we don't really get it. Like, I get that being in a van a long time kind of sucks, but we're all really good friends. I think we want to like go away somewhere where we don't have any distractions and just make some demos, some bed tracks, and then kind of build on those in the comfort of our pajamas.
I hope you know when you're unable to drive.
Intended as like a reference for like that spot that's settled at between all those things that are pulling you, and you don't feel as much because it's like in that zone between the push and pull. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I hear what Chloe says. It's hard. This has been something that
Wait, like, did you guys all live together for a while or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Steve and Kyla lived together. Yeah, that was for the last record though.
Yeah. But then now you got too old to live together?
Yeah.
We tore the house down.
Yeah. Moved out.
Got too old.
The day we were leaving on tour, the three of them moved out of that house.
Oh yeah, that's right.
But I think it was torn down like within like a month of getting back.
Mm-hmm.
Not even. It was bittersweet.
Sound, you going through your bags on the floor. You were gone before I knew it. Now I'm just hanging around. I stand up, I sit down. Everything is doubling over.
Like any artist, you're kind of looking for a little spring of inspiration from something, and then it's so reactive for me, just like hearing one thing and then reacting to it, and recording another thing and then reacting to those two things together. I think just capturing those little moments and then trying to make them into something that means something on an emotional level, or on usually it's an emotional level that I'm looking for. It's not going through all those like filters of analytics.
That song's gone for a while. The only reason we wanted to is there's the great thing we had going with the space echo and the piano.
Sweet.
But we'll just try that. We'll just run that from the whirly into that.
That's actually the whole propeller for everything for me, is just like chasing a decent tone, and then from that tone, like usually riffs just happen, and then it's just reacting to those from there.
I want you and only you.
And you're still acoustic guitar guys? Or?
Not today. But I still like playing acoustic guitar, yeah. But I wouldn't call myself an acoustic guitar guy anymore. You know what I mean by acoustic guitar guy.